almost no one has the gall to just come up to you and be like, yo, I like you so much. Happens one in a lifetime. They're unicorns. For the most part, you're not going to be reading what they verbally say. You have to be reading what their body says, and that's what's going to let you know if they like you. For example, they drop their guard. This one's key. For example, let's say you're talking to a girl. Most of the time, anybody, girl or guy, when you feel uncomfortable, even you, and let's say you're in a social gathering, the first thing you'll do is you'll close off your body language, or you'll grab your book, or you'll grab your book bag. You'll use anything as a physical blocker to make you feel safe. It's subliminal. When you like someone, when you're interested in someone, when there is sexual attention, you don't want those physical blockers between you and the person you love. So what you're going to notice is a dropping of the guard. They'll change their drink from being between you to the side. They'll drop their hands. They'll remove their purse. Anything that removes them from their guard, where it's open body language between you and them, that's a good sign they like you. 2, they tilt their head. This, again, scientifically has been proven to be a sign of engagement. In other words, let's say we're talking right now it's all good, but if you notice a person maybe tilt to the side, right? You see a nice subtle tilt to their head. It's almost as if they're exposing their ears so they can capture more. It's a sign of engagement. It's a sign of full interest from their part to you, which is a good sign that they like you. 3, they smile at you. This one's simple. Where was I going? This one's easy. A smile is universally a sign of friendship. It's almost like a peacocking sign that it's a warm invitation from one person to another that you find them pleasurable enough to give them a smile and likable enough to open a conversation with you. A smile is like a gateway. When you see somebody smile at you, it's like an invitation. Yo, come talk to me. I'm in a friendly mood. And what's interesting, for example, when it comes to a girl, they will never just throw out a smile randomly at a guy. If they feel threatened by a guy, if they don't like a guy, they won't get a smile. They might get a little, like a little awkward smirk. They won't get a full-blown smile, play with the hair type of. Nah, if you get one of those, they like you. And I know what you're saying, Jose. We're three tips in. I've never gotten any of these. None of this stuff ever happens to me. It's not even. Feel you. It's not relatable. You gotta look attractive, bro. There is an attractive bias out there, right? You have to look desirable for these to even happen to you. This is the reality of it. For example, and I did a whole video on this, proving this to you. If there's an ugly guy and an attractive guy, the halo effect kicks in. And that attractive guy will be shy. The ugly guy will be weird. In other words, you need to be attractive for any of these to start happening to you, and the easiest way to manipulate that is with how you dress. Bro, we are days away from the largest launch we've done with Essentials when it comes to designs.
Okay, quick cut as we were editing this video. I know I said that the launch is supposed to be this weekend, but technical difficulties. We have like 4 major products, which are like the good ones, stuck at the port. So now we're moving the launch till next Saturday, which is actually the opportunity of a lifetime, because that means it gives you an extra week to save. Bro, back to the main video.
We have 16 new designs dropping this October 15th, bro. We've never dropped. Yo, I am literally combining multiple drops into one. 16 new pieces, new bags, new tote bag, new underwear, about 3 new pants, cargos, canvas pants, oversized pants. We have new crew neck sweaters. This is Essentials too. We have new oversized knitted sweaters, which are probably my favorite. And there's only like 100 pieces, so those are the first to go. We have new fitness shorts. Yo, we've been sold out on fitness shorts for over a year. This is version 3. Those are gonna go fast too. What I'm trying to get you to understand is that if you're not a pro member or subscribe to our outfits, and you don't get early access, some of those limited pieces are gonna sell out this fast if you're not quick. I'm gonna pause this video right now because there's a hell of a lot more tips to read on body language. My clothing has one goal: make men look attractive. I haven't heard any other designer say that. I hook it up, and this collection you ain't gonna wanna miss. Number 4, they lock eyes with you. You need to understand something. Direct eye contact that's locked with the opposite sex releases a little hormone called oxytocin in your brain. This is why you love it. When you see your crush and you both lock eyes, or especially once you're flirting and you're this close, you're getting all these feelings inside of you. That oxytocin that's being released in your head, it's called also a bonding hormone, where it makes you feel connected to that other person. If she's connecting eyes with you, she's feeling the same thing. she's also interested. 5, belly direction. This one's really good. It's similar to dropping the guard. A woman's belly will tell you if they like you or not, depending on the direction. For example, if it's fronting you or fully facing you, there's interest. If you see that belly direction fully away from you, there's disinterest. Here's a good one. If you see that belly being sucked in, this girl is in love with you. What she's basically doing is trying to make her figure look as good as possible and obviously making her chest look as large as possible because she knows how to bait you in. And ultimately, number 6, her lips are slightly part open. This one's key. When you notice, similar to like her sucking in her stomach, men do this too, by the way. Think about it. When you're flirting with a girl and you know she's about to touch you, you instantly flex. Like you're flexing everything. You're always on point. We tend to tense our muscles because we think that is our mating signal. For them, it's their chest and their lips. When you see her lips slightly part open, this is her basically saying, I want you to kiss me. This is her trying to make her lips look as plump and as large as possible to get you attracted to her, and another strong sign that she likes you.